Everyone, this is Az Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment. And today student we will discuss about the ray diagrams related to concave mirror. Yes, concave mirror. And this concave mirror is also known as saving mirror or dressing kit mirror. Generally the ladies have in their purse or in their bag they have this mirror. Like now I want to show you that mirror. This mirror is known as concave mirror and it is used in saving and in dressing. Or it is also known as saving kit mirror or dressing kit mirror, and it is also used by the dentist to see the enlarged image of tooth. And this mirror is also used by the ENT doctors to check ear, nose and throat's canal. So this mirror is very useful in our daily life, and it is very important for you also for exam point of view. So today we will discuss about this concave mirror. So the first ray diagram that we will discuss, in which the when object is situated at infinite. What is the mean of infinite, student? Like the stars are situated from us at infinite. Like this, if the objects are situated at infinite, then how does the image formed by the concave mirror? So first we will discuss that. Like this is concave mirror. Now in this, first what we will do, we will take its center of curvature. It is its center of curvature, this, and from the center of curvature to the mid of this we draw one line. So the line that will be meet to the mirror, that point will be known as pole. So this is known as pole and this is known as center of curvature. Now what will be happen in this? In this the object is situated at infinite, student, and the middle point of this, the mid of the pole and center of curvature is known as focus, principal focus. Now what we do, we draw a line parallel to the principal axis as incident ray. It is the incident ray. Now from here it will be reflected to the principal axis. Now another line we will draw as parallel to the principal axis, just below the principal axis. Now again this ray will be cut or meet at the principal axis. Now the image will be formed here at the focus. So what is the position of the image in this case? If the object is placed at infinite, so the image will be formed at focus. So here you write at focus. Size of image, now you can see that is the point size. And it is highly diminished and highly diminished. Now nature of the image. In the case of concave mirror, generally or only in one exception we don't take it, but otherwise in all the cases the image that will be formed will be real and inverted. So in this case also the image is forming, because the image is forming here just in front of the mirror, not it is forming behind the mirror. That's why the image will be real and inverted. So it is the first ray diagram, student. Now we will draw the next ray diagram. In this, the object beyond center of curvature. Now again you draw the mirror. This is the mirror. This is the polished surface, and this is the reflected surface. Again we will draw the principal axis. This is principal axis, and we will take the center of curvature. It is the center of curvature. It is the focus. It is focused between it is pole. Now what we will do? We will draw again in this, the object is situated beyond center of curvature. Beyond means it is far from center of curvature. Here the object is situated. Now what will you do? You will draw the incident ray parallel to the principal axis. This you will draw. After that it will be reflected. At principal focus. Here it will be reflected. Now from the center of the curvature, according to the rule, a ray will be passed from the center of curvature, from here. Now the image will be formed here. So this is the image. It is the object A, B, and it is the image A dash, B dash. So it is the image. So now you can tell me that what is the position of the image here? What is the position? Position of image. What is the position of image here? The position of the image here is in between C and F. Between C and F. What is the size of the image? You can tell me. Now you can tell me it is the smaller than object. So size of image smaller than object. Nature of image. Now you have learned that the image will be, nature of the image will be real and inverted. Nature of image, real and inverted. So now we covered this ray diagram, object beyond center of curvature. It means the object beyond center of curvature. Now we come on the next, student. Now in this, the object at center of curvature. Object is at center of curvature. Now again you will draw the concave mirror. Concave, it is the polished surface, and it is inner side the reflecting surface. Now again you will draw the principal axis. It is the principal axis. Now in this you will show the center of curvature. It is the center of curvature. It is focus. Now object at center of curvature. In this, the object at center of curvature. Here is the object. Now again you will draw the incident ray parallel to the head. Start from the head of the object, from here. Now it will be reflected. From here it will be reflected. Now it will be the image that will be formed here. From the center of curvature, the ray diagram, ray will be passed and it will be reflected here. It will be again reflected from here. Reflected, and the image that will be formed, it will be formed on the center of curvature. Means it is the object AB and it is the image A dash B dash. So now you can tell me the position of the image. It will be same position of image. What is the position of image? It is at the center of curvature at C. It is at C. Now we come on the next. What is the size of image? Size of image. What is the size of image here? It is the same size as object. Here you write same size. What is the nature? Nature of the image you can easily tell. Nature of image. It is real and inverted. So now we have covered this object at center of curvature. Now in this case, object between C and F. C and F. Now again you draw. The ray diagram. Now do you draw the principal axis? It is the principal axis, and it is the center of curvature, and it is focus. Now in this, where is the object? Object is in between C and F. So here is the object. It is the object. Now you draw the ray diagram in this. This is the incident ray. Means from the head you will start. Now again you will reflect it from the focus, principal focus. Now you start it from here. From the center of the curvature you will start the ray. In this, the ray diagram will be formed here. From the center of the curvature, means from here the ray will be formed, and the image will be formed here. The image will be formed here. So in this, the image will be formed beyond C. Beyond C. So you write here position of image beyond C. Beyond C, and size of image you write enlarged. Nature of image same. Nature of image is real and inverted. So it is about the ray diagram. Now we come on the next ray diagram, student. Next. Yes, student, now we will discuss about this object at F. F means at focus. So again we will draw the ray diagram. This is the concave mirror. Now we draw the principal axis. It is the principal axis. It is center of curvature. It is focus. Now it is pole. Now where is the object? It is at focus here. Here is the object. Now in this, again we start the incident ray from the head of the object. It is the incident ray, and that incident ray will be passed from the focus. From here it will be passed, and there will be incident ray and the reflected ray will pass from the center of curvature from here, and this ray will be work as both incident and reflected. It is incident and it is also reflected. Now the image will be formed. Where will be the image formed? Now in this these rays are not meeting with each other. It means, what is the position of the image here, student? It is at infinite. At infinite. Or at infinity, the image will be formed. Size of the image will be highly enlarged. Nature of the image, because image is forming in front of the mirror, and it will be real and inverted. So the image will be real and inverted. Now we come on the next ray diagram, student. Object between F and P. Here again we will draw the ray diagram. It is the concave mirror, and it is the principal focus, principal axis, and it is the principal focus. It is the center of curvature. Now in this, the object is in between F and P. So we will show here the object will be here. Now in this, the image will be formed. Again we will pass the line from here, and it will be passed from the focus, and again we will pass the line from the center, ray from the center of the curvature, and it will pass through the touching of the center of the curvature. This. Now in this, these rays means the rays that will be passed from the center of the curvature and from the principal axis. They appear to meet here. Up here appear to meet. So these lines, the rays, we will show as dot. So the image will be formed here. It is A, B, it is object, it is A dash and B dash, and the image will be formed in front, behind the mirror, not in front of the mirror, behind the mirror, and it will be virtual and erect. And it is the exception, student, so you will learn it. Most important. It is the most important ray diagram because it is exception. Up. Now we will write the position of image. Here you write behind the mirror. It is the behind the mirror. Next is size of image. Here you write enlarged because it is larger than object, na? That's why. Now nature of image. Nature of image will be virtual and erect because image is forming in front of the mirror and it is erect. It is not opposite. So today we have discussed about the ray diagrams related to concave mirror, and I have also taught you the uses of the concave mirror. So you will learn it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.